Turning to our weather, another hot, windy, dry day. Let's check it with Pablo now. He has the latest. Pablo.
All right, Kim, thanks very much. Yeah, another windy afternoon around Southern California. Not quite the winds we woke up with early this morning when we had some wind gusts. Some of the higher elevations of the local mountains clocked at 60 to 65 miles per hour. They've died down somewhat this afternoon. Still breezy out there. Will be the conditions overnight tonight. Then by about the lunch hour tomorrow, we'll lose some of those winds, but we're going to remain dry. Outside we go this afternoon, checking out the skies over Southern California. Beautiful afternoon, thanks to the wind kind of blowing all the junk out of the air right now. Our weather bush not really moving at all as we take a look out over the San Fernando Valley. Great visibility at the present hour. How about those winds right now? Well, of course, up through the I-5 Grapevine from Santa Clarita up through Frazier Park. These little mountain corridors kind of act as a wind tunnel, and you can see the winds up to about 21 miles per hour at Lancaster, 13 along the coast. Not really a factor whatsoever, but it was a warm afternoon, still warm. Look at the airport right now, 79 degrees, 93 here in Burbank, 91 at Chino, 86 down at Santa Ana. So that warm weather, dry conditions means that red flag warning remains in effect until 11 o'clock Friday evening. Pretty much all the mountain and valley areas, LA, Ventura, and the Inland Empire. Not going to rule out the possibilities that those winds overnight start gusting up near about 50 miles per hour. And very, very low relative humidity is going to be with us right on through the weekend. How about the daytime high today? 97 degrees, nearly 20 degrees above normal. Approached that record set back in 1965 of 100. Season rainfall total to date, just a trace, we're about 3/4 of an inch below normal. Rain we could certainly use around these parts, especially with the high fire danger out there. All right, we'll move along. Check out, well, the Santa Ana setup, if you will. There's that ridge of high pressure responsible with that clockwise flow, bringing in the warm, dry air from the desert southwest right into Southern California. That's why we saw some of the coastal readings today peaking well into the 90s over some of the inland readings into the 80s, and that's going to be the case once again tomorrow. Overnight tonight, not too bad, 60 downtown. Lancaster, very cold for this time of year. 34 degrees, 56 at Temecula. Apple Valley will be breezy overnight, and an overnight low of 50 early tomorrow morning. Again, another warm afternoon tomorrow. Temps down maybe 1 to 2 degrees. You're not really going to feel it, though. A lot of 90s up on the board. Downtown, 96. Glendale, 95. Even look at the coast. Malibu, 92 degrees. Up at Ventura, 89. Inland West San Fernando Valley topping out at about 97 degrees at Woodland Hills. Here's a look at your Mathis Brothers live Weather Plus 7-day outlook. Very warm day tomorrow. Slightly cooler on Friday. Then over the weekend, we'll start to finally lose some of the heat out there. And by the first part of next week, we'll see things slowly return to normal. Even a little bit of clouds back in the picture.
Did I hear you last night mention rain? Did you say that word last night?
Well, you saw at the tail end of the 7-day a few clouds drifting in.
No,
yeah,
it came out of your mouth. I know
it did. We're still working on it.
Still hoping.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Okay.
Wishing and hoping. Okay, thanks.